In this video, we will find the derivative of the function y is equal to square root of x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So first we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we have dy by dx is equal to d by dx of square root of x minus 1 upon x plus 1. We know that the derivative of square root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x. So we can apply this formula over here, but this variable and this variable must be same. But here these two things are not same. So let u is equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So we have d by dx of square root of u. Again these two variables are not same. So we can apply chain rule of differentiation and we will replace this dx by du. So we have d by du of square root of u multiply by du by dx. This is the chain rule of differentiation. Now we can apply this formula because these variables are same. So we have 1 upon 2 square root of u multiply by d by dx of, in place of u we can put x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now we can put the value of u over here. So we have 1 upon 2 square root of 1 upon 2 square root of x minus 1 upon x plus 1, and over here we can apply quotient rule of differentiation, which is d by dx of u upon v is equal to v times derivative of u minus u times derivative of v upon v square. So here we can apply this formula, and here we have u in place of x minus 1 in place of u and x plus 1 in place of v. So first we will write v, which is x plus 1 multiply by the derivative of u, which is x minus 1, then minus x minus 1 multiply by the derivative of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now this can be written as 1 upon 2 square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x plus 1, and here we have x plus 1 and the derivative of x minus 1 is 1, because the derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. Then minus x minus 1 multiply by derivative of x plus 1, which is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now this can be written as square root of x plus 1 upon 2 times square root of x minus 1, and then x plus 1 multiply 1 is x plus 1, and minus times x minus 1 minus x, and then plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now we can subtract the powers of x plus 1. Here the power of x plus 1 is 1 upon 2 and here the power of x plus 1 is 2. So we will write 1 over here and then 2 upon square root of x minus 1, and here x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus x is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2, and here we will write x plus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. So we have 1 upon square root of x minus 1 multiply by x plus 1 to the power 3 upon 2, and this can be written as 1 upon square root of x minus 1 and x plus 1 multiply by x plus 1 to the power 1 upon 2. So we have 1 upon x plus 1 square root of x minus 1, and this can be written as square root of x plus 1. Now we have 1 upon x plus 1 multiply by square root of x minus 1 multiply by x plus 1, and here we can apply the formula a minus b multiply by a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we have 1 upon x plus 1 square root of x square minus 1, and this is the required answer.